Ahoy, Captain! My name is Matt, and I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to navigate the Snag-A-Slip website to find awesome marinas and book your boat slips right online. Before we get started, did you know that we partner with over 500 marinas in 7 different countries? That's right. We've got you covered from Canada to the Caribbean, and we are expanding every day. Now let's get underway and explore the hundreds of places you can visit on your next cruise. To begin, head to our homepage at snagaslip.com. From here, let's go ahead and try to run a search for marinas in the Annapolis area. So to begin, type Annapolis into the search bar. Then select Go. As you can see, this brings to you a page that is populated with marinas that we are partnered with in the Annapolis area. On the right, there's an interactive map that shows you a more detailed view of marinas and their locations. And on the left, we have the cards that demonstrate marina profiles with a brief listing of amenities, tabs to learn more, and tabs to check availability. So let's go ahead and check availability at Horn Point Harbor. From here, you can see that we arrive at Horn Point Harbor's profile page. You have a brief description of the marina, alongside a further listing of the amenities, and then a more specific location with latitude and longitude. On the right, there's a box here that allows you to check for availability at the marina. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll enter in our arrival and departure dates, and then our following boat information. After entering your boat information, select Check Availability, and it will populate a slip rate for you. If you're happy with the slip rate, select Book Now. At this point, if you have an account with us, you can sign in and check out with your username, or you can continue as a guest. So we'll go ahead and do that now. From here, you proceed to the transaction like you're booking a hotel room or a flight. So we'll go ahead and enter our billing information. Also below, there's an area to add any special requests if you're traveling with the cruise group or another boater or need to be tied up in a certain way. From there, we'll hit Save and Continue. Now you go ahead and enter in your boat information. Make sure to select whether you're power, sail, or catamaran, your boat make, the model, and there's an option to enter in your insurance. However, that is not required at this time. We'll go ahead and select Save and Continue. Lastly, we'll enter in our credit card information. And then also hit Save and Continue. At this page, we can go through and confirm all the information we entered. Here's your About You, your boat information, and lastly, your payment information. If you're happy with all that and the price listed over here, select Confirm Purchase and Reservation. Congratulations, you snagged your slip. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly. Prior to your stay, you will receive a welcome email detailing contact information, VHF to hail upon arrival, an avionics map, details about the surrounding area, and a slip number if the marina has one ready. Now before I leave, there are more areas of the site to explore. Check out our other videos, including how to earn rewards and how to use our interactive map. Until then, happy boating. We're glad to have you aboard.